be done.
Kynhun Jong Kinong Tre belalam kemat dau Chairman Kamau Muluk Cara Cement Limited iba wailat Miki Shilla Kinlet Bhavika Commercial Private Limited kebedan ha Kolkata swaban shim ya karai ban ya soy sos kular ban ya trelang bat penyat ya ka MCCL habakren bekilat patai kubor menta kasgi iba Shilla laong bak Kynhun kan penlong ya ka jengkmi benya halor ki kam jong kanika company ke bana Kolkata ban pet yala la kalong ni em ka bebit bebiang bat penyat ya ka karkhana do bilat ila pentip shushu bakin sa iPad ya ka kai pot sa sarkar ha ka ba ka cabinet kan sa shim ya ka rai ka ba khat do halor kan ni ka benta ha ka wei pat kalyang iba shlai iba longru u MLA ka seng NPP na jawai ila ong ba ka jawai municipal board kala shim ya ka rukom tre kam ka ba kham lingkot bat le persha ya ka jing e banlum ya ki jabo hasor ba jawai
I already informed 3 of them participated, and out of the 3, 2 back down, and then only one, this Bhavika Private Limited from Kolkata, who came forward and then present their presentation to the board. And then after that, after giving presentation to the board, and I took him to Chief Minister, and then even Chief Minister find that the presentation is quite practical, it's good, and we can move forward. And then he has asked me that I should go to Kolkata and visit his plant of that Bhavika Private Limited to see whether he is really a cement manufacturer or not.